Welcome in this new video today. I will show you today how to draw white fur and how many different colors you can find in white fur. You know, white fur is never white. There are always different colors in there to draw it realistically. As black fur is never only black, white fur is not only black. So use different colors. I will show you that now in Photoshop, how I pick up the colors with the pipette tool, with a color choosing tool. You can also try it out in another photo editing program. And afterwards, I will show you how to draw white fur in a time lapse. Have fun and enjoy. Here, this is a reference photo of a longer white fur. This is also a lesson inside my drawing school, my membership Animal Art Club. This is a reference photo, and you see here are a lot of different colors in there. This is a fur of a white dog, but the sunlight here is very yellowish. The photo was taken with warm lights outside in the sun or maybe in the sunset. And you see a lot of colors here. If you take here a color picking tool, you can filter out colors. Here, for example, there are so beige, browns, ochre colors, mixtures of ochres, white, ivory, and brown, for example. Some creams, not only white, these are creams or light grays. And here also caput mortuum, I would choose this violet brown and flesh color, the beige red, for example, a light flesh color. If you work with Pastel Pencils, beige red. And I would also mix in here some ochres and blend them together with white or ivory or flesh color. So I see here also ochre colors in there, so yellows. And here between also caput mortuum, yellows and white also, but just for final details, like only here it's really brilliant white, or it's more going into gray here everywhere, some cold grays. So there are different colors in here, also browns here or here browns. And so always use different colors to build up your realistic white fur, and your drawing will become more realistically and also more interesting. Here I show you how I draw here in Animal Art Club white fur. I start with a white pastel pencil and sketch in the clumps, the curls of the fur. Just draw this freehand to train the eyes, and then bring in darker colors between. I use here raw amber, a beige, an ochre color, and also flesh colors like cinnamon, beige red, and blend these together. Add again white, mix the colors together with blending tools like paper stamps here or cotton swabs. Pastels are so amazing to blend together, to mix colors, mix different color shades, nuances, different tones of colors. Then here I bring in the caput mortuum, this violet, red, brown. So bring in different colors to increase the depth, to bring in contrast into your animal drawings here, into your realistic animal portraits. I start now building up more layers and creating details. Let's add fine lines with raw amber, with gray. So use different ochres, different browns, and also grays here, and bring in fine lines. Let's add details here and always add overlapping layers. Again, work with flesh colors here with the beige red, and bring in different skin colors. Use ivory, a cream, a very light yellow here to bring in these warm colors. This white fur is very warm, and there are so many warm colors in there. Draw many details. Let fine hairs overlap, and always blend them during the drawing process. Here, let them cross, let them overlap, and so you bring in contrast. You create realistic, lifelike fur. You really make your portraits very realistically. So use white and bring in overlapping final details here. The more layers you draw, the better, and the more colors you bring into your portraits, the better. So here you really see how many different colors are included in white fur. I love to use a craft knife for refining and stretching in details here. And then go in with brown and caput mortuum and add more darks and also a little bit of yellow ochre. And so you see how you really can draw your fur very realistically by using many different colors. So keep that in mind. White fur is not only white, it is so important and really crucial for your realistic animal portraits that you use many different colors and blend them together, mix colors. This is such amazing when you work with pastels. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I invite you to join the early bird wait list for my membership Animal Art Club, my drawing school where I teach you how to draw realistic animal portraits with pastels and to become confident artists. It's for beginners and also for advanced. See you there and see you in the next video.